All right, you guys, I thought I would make you a video just like this instead of making you log into Zoom today. It not only gives you a little bit more time to breathe before you guys have fifth period, but I just wanted you to check in with me. Excuse me. So I know I put on here we're going to Zoom. I'm actually going to take that off. Watch this video instead. I am liking the whole idea of doing videos. That way you guys, when you're lost or something, you can revert back to these videos. Whereas if we do Zoom, we're still going to be doing Zoom, but probably not as often. I'm going to be making you videos such as this. That way you're like, well, I don't really remember what Miss James said about that, so I can either email her and wait for her to get back to me, or you guys can just come back to these videos. Okay, so this is meant to be helpful for you. If you have me for English, you're going to notice we're going to Zoom on some days, and then the days we don't Zoom, I'm going to be making you videos to help you. Okay, so on here, you have I'm still, I need to check how many of you actually have turned this in, but I know it's not nearly as many as we need. This was due a couple days ago. So please get your job application done. You can turn it in to my email if you want to, ljames@tpaa, or you guys can turn it in to right here, your job application practice. I changed this name because I think it was a little bit confusing. So you guys can turn in your job application here. So yeah, I only have 12 of you who have done this. I still need the other 17. Okay? So you guys can do anything. You can do a Starbucks application, print it out, fill it out, take a picture of it and attach it here, or you can just go to a website, start practicing how to fill out an application at any job, at any fast food place, at anything, and then you're going to take a screenshot for me and you're going to turn it in here as well. So I really need 17 of you to do that. That might take you most of our bridge time anyway, but if you are one of the 12, your first thing is going to be that job application, okay? For the rest of bridge, I need you guys to continue working on your student portfolio and this letter to your future self. Okay, Jasmine, I saw your letter. I love it. I think she has like 5 or 6 paragraphs, you guys. Awesome, awesome. So all of you need to do work on your letter to your future self. That is due, I believe I made it Tuesday. So you guys have the whole rest of the period. Instead of getting on Zoom, just watch this. I feel like this is more helpful to you than if we meet on Zoom. I keep you for a few minutes and then let you go. So there will be an attendance question, so please fill that out. I might do Jamboard, I might do a question. I'm still kind of on the fence. We just got on lunch here, so I am about to get you guys set up. If you have me for English, you also have 2 videos in fifth period, and then you have some activities you're going to do with those videos. So a lot of you do have me for English right after this. So for bridge, guys, work on your letter to yourself and then work on your job application. Okay? Any questions? I'm always here for you. I just figured this was easier for you guys to, have yourself a little bit of a longer time to breathe before fifth period. And don't forget the job application was due a couple days ago, and your letter to yourself is due on Tuesday. Okay? If you haven't set up your portfolio, you're gonna go over here to sites.google.com, which I already explained a couple days ago, but many of you have busy lives and you have homework in every class, and I get it. I'm not here to be mad at you, okay? So start your portfolio, and then you're going to start adding pages to this. Try not to take your whole time here. But you're going to go over here and add some pages. These are the ones I would like for you to add. And you just click on it and change whatever you want to change. You're going to go to properties, and then you'll be able to change the name, okay? This is something you guys are all going to be working on, so please do this. This is a major part of your bridge grade, is this portfolio for your future, okay? If you have me for English next, you have your couple of videos I need you to watch, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Don't forget that attendance question or the Google Jamboard. All right, you guys. If you need anything at all, I'm always here for you. ljames@tpaa.org, or you can, you know, what's it called, have your parents call me. I'm always available. I just figured this might save you a little bit of time. Maybe you have some math homework you need to do real quick. You can do that while instead of, you know, hopping on Zoom for half an hour, okay? I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.